Hello class, so I just have the Assure method pulled up for here real quick, and so we see here that we're to analyze learners, state standards and objectives, select strategies, utilize technology, require learner participation, evaluate, and revise. And so the reason I'm pulling that up, and I'll explain it in more layman terms, is but with our football players and using this football organization to those who have already got a master's in education, so say some of my peers who are in this program with me, when we go about learning on a daily basis and teaching the student athletes under us, I think it's important that we make it fun, enjoyable. We promote gamification that we've learned throughout our time in this program. And so in whatever we do, I think we have to use videos. We have to use fun educational things, not lecture for 35 minutes, but I have Hudl pulled up here. And so I think when we go about watching this stuff, it's important that we can do as much football stuff via the computer and video versus not using. So I have Hudl pulled up. This is one of our many things we use here. Then I will go over here and I'll pull up XOS Scout. This is our recruiting service. So I'm just pulling up different things here that it's important that we use videos and such so that our student athletes can learn in a very precise way that we want them to. And I think that all started with our implementation of technology. So I know this video does not show a whole lot of what we want them to see, but I think the whole point is that in everything we do, we're assessing what they need to learn, what are their needs, and then we're addressing that through the programs that we believe they'll learn best through. And so in this particular thing, Hudl, XOS, we're doing different things that show we're just not giving them paper tests, and we're just not going and standing up at a podium and talking to them for 45 minutes in a meeting, but we're showing them this application that I have pulled up, Hudl, and we're pulling up XOS, and we're doing this stuff that they really enjoy and can listen to and sit through versus sitting up there and talking to them through stuff. So hopefully this makes sense to you all, and it helps you all learn. As Master of Education already earned your master degrees, and hopefully you use this stuff, and we use the Assure method throughout our time here. Thanks.